This issue kicked my butt. The MSD 6A had an internal fault that I couldn't figure out. I called Holly, talked to them, they couldn't help me figure it out. I swapped the EFI off thinking that was it, and it was not. Finally, I switched the MSD ignition with another that was known to be good, and she worked great. Then I ordered one, but I upgraded to the 6AL Ultra because it has the Bluetooth connectivity, and the dang plug was different. So I had to rewire, and then because the plug was kind of backwards compared to the other, I needed to remake the mounting plate. Here you can see the mounting plate I made using my trailer hitch to do a dimple die on the back, give it a little bit more cooling. All mounted, all put together, and about to test it.